It will be good.
next time. So keep trying.
Well, thank you so much for your time and thank you. I hope you have a beautiful night. Okay.
Yeah, thank you too.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye-bye.
You're
Bye.
twin.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
No way.
juga.
Who is the older? Okay. Where you from?
Russia.
Russia? Okay.
Hai BT Lovers, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, di video kali ini aku bakal singing reactionnya Bang Randy Dongseu. Kali ini judulnya Ukti Iran ini sampai heran aku bisa nyanyi semua bahasa yang dia bisa. Wih, keren banget ya Bang Randy itu. Nyanyi udah suaranya bagus, bisa bahasa yang lain juga. Oke, langsung aja ke videonya guys. Jangan lupa subscribe yang belum subscribe, dan like, comment, dan juga share ke teman-teman kalian dan ke sosial media yang kalian pilih. Selamat menonton.
Hi.
Wah,
Play the
oh
guitar.
ini bisa
I
main
broke
gitar juga.
actually.
So you can play it?
No.
Oh my god. Why did you do that?
By mistake.
You can buy new one.
Yeah. No, I will fix it.
Oh, okay.
Can you sing?
Sure. Where you from, by the way?
Saudi Arabia.
Oh, Arab.
Takarela malatili andraka
Wah.
wazini bala pluso bala be. Takare kentet habini mani mistekagini takare ke bienna he. Takarela mal meche pet nene yumbita te karet lensane. We tafat nam donai kuala dewaru pampanet wala garafatu sofeye. Palamalaye telepon sote. Thank you.
That was amazing. By the way, I know this song.
Oh, you know this song? Yeah.
لا ما قد صح عليك شو
It's
قلت
a really good song.
Yeah, I know.
An old song, but you look young. How can you know that song?
By TikTok.
By TikTok. Okay.
Yeah.
You look 12.
How old
Are
are
you
you?
12?
No, 17.
Why you look like 12?
Iya kayak yang masih kecil.
Hello. You
Hi.
play music?
I do play music.
Can you please play
You are
music
really
for us?
pretty.
What kind of music do you like?
You are really pretty.
Whatever you
Stop!
want.
I want to say that you're pretty.
Thank you so much. That make me shy actually.
Well, play music.
Where are you guys from, by the way?
We're from
Sweden.
Sweden.
Oh, you guys are from Sweden.
Mm,
No, I
Sorry.
know what should I sing.
you know.
Yang cowok juga ikutan ya di belakang.
Fisara mustaktui Lotong
Wah, ikut kaget loh.
Di suyo bekstu
Yes. Go. Go.
Favarai manno todi Allting 이렇게 nog fruga Di sudi fuck for me Men jag kan inte få i sommarum som dig utan att jag tar param Varje gång du ser på mig som att ditt hjärta stannar Försöker spela svåra
Berasa kayak itu ya,
men då
kayak
är vi
saya.
mina mjurar Jag vet inte vad du gör Men allting som du gör Thank you.
Like you.
How can you sing in Swedish?
When you don't speak Swedish.
That's magic.
It was really good.
Really,
Thank you so much. I'm from Indonesia, by the way. Nice to meet you guys.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you for letting me sing for you guys.
Yeah.
No, it sounds
Thank you
good,
for
so
singing.
Very
thank
good.
you.
I hope you guys have a beautiful night. Okay.
Thank you, you too.
You too.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Where are you guys from?
Oh, okay.
Are you
I just
TikTokers?
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Where you from? Morocco. Okay.
Do you
What
know
one?
how to play it?
Yeah, I know. شوقني تحول الليالي والحوايب أنا ترنا وتيجي ليلي وياخدنا معي حدير الماي والليل pararapa 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 كان تاخن نبي الماي قدام شهن مزروعة في وجدتك يتحنل هاي أم هو شهرية ويبقوا الناس بها الشهر سيمهن كشعر بيا رايهن جايين طول الطريق تهدر غنيات يا شهري ليالي يا هلا لبالي غنية 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 للطرقان يا شهري ليالي يا هلا لبالي غنية 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 للطرقان.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You have a beautiful voice.
Thank you so much.
I know you.
Wait.
Huh? What do you
You're
mean
the
you know?
one singing, right?
This is kinda crazy because all of Myanmar people know me. I don't know why. What happened?
Because you're really famous. You stay here.
Wait.
I don't even know it. That's crazy. So you from Myanmar?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name?
You can call me May.
May. Okay,
May.
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 How old are you, May?
Yes.
17?
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
I'm
What?
20.
Ah. Okay. 20. Do you wanna hear something?
Yeah, of course.
Alright.
Suaranya lucu banget.
Can I get a screen recording?
Sure.
Okay.
What song?
It's okay. Everything.
Alright. Satu miarang ati dane muncul mahotu meldi wailu sagerelenya tau ngarun udah penson tuen naik wishiba omla Tuần sai umi đêm áp chế này nô đã tí cha lê nàng bát ta si là kê yu nê nê bi nam ma ta si thầm mê đã piu piu ya nữ na piu shem yu cần tí chư tê cha re tu se ta ku gung aswe la yu nê lo yu song mi lu ma dui hang a lu mu sao nê lo men le me tu su ku sao từng bi tu yêu rồi sabab se nai na le menti di ting aru nhiều chỉ cuối mơ culu mi lai để ra ra tie nên in bay châu you yêu mai min sẽ hoa tua cao nghi ngờ là mình gì qua này pala ne tu duyên tabi hey, hey.
Enak
Wow,
banget
I
suaranya.
mean, your language, it's pretty well.
What?
Like your voice, Myanmar
Mm?
voice, it's pretty fluent.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. I was, thank you. I was trying my best because I don't know, Myanmar like Burmese, right?
Mhm.
It's kind of hard, you know. It's kind of hard.
But it's pretty well.
Thank you. I get a question.
Mhm.
How did you know me? I mean,
Through Facebook.
where? I mean, someone upload my video on Facebook.
Not only someone. I
Not
think
only
a lot of
someone.
pages and people.
I mean,
uploaded
who's the uploader? Is that a Myanmar person or someone from another country?
I don't know. I think both Myanmar and other countries.
Okay.
Cause
Is
you
that-
are-
Because I never
Sapphire.
upload any videos on Facebook, you know. I only upload on YouTube, so that's why.
YouTube.
Hmm.
Because I normally don't know about
Mm.
popular people, but my boyfriend, he really like you, and like, he told me about you, and he always watch about your video. That's why I got to know.
You should to tell him that you meet with me.
Yeah,
It will be good.
next time. So keep trying.
Oh, thank you so much for your time and thank you. I hope you have a beautiful night. Okay.
Yeah, thank you too.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
You're
Hi.
twin.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
No way.
juga.
Who is the older? Okay. Where you from?
Russia.
Russia? Okay. How old are you?
18. 13.
18 and 13.
Yes.
Kecil
So you
kecil
are
guys.
sister,
Yes.
sibling.
Oh.
What are your names?
Camila. Adelina.
Camila Adelina.
Yes.
That's good.
What about you? What's your name?
My name is Randy.
Randy. Good.
Yes. Can I play a song for you guys?
Yes. Of course.
Alright. Randy.
Randy.
Camila.
Kenapa?
Ela que just a chocolate from меня тебе все salvere. Я зазогся возле sweetie. Tago glass loves and loves and love. Посупки мудою. Тако фева вита. Сусто визум атло крири масигаре. Quantos nitos eu desliti. Kratorok zaputoy. Tis love you. Tis love you. Посупки мудою. Митис на кофе вита. Сусто визум атло крири масигаре. Quantos nitos eu desliti. Kratorok zaputoy. Tis love you.
Oh my god. That was so amazing.
Thank you.
Wih.
You know that song?
Yes, of course.
Oh my god. You're 13.
Aduh,
Right?
masih kecil.
Yes. Randy.
I
love you.
Hmm?
I love you.
you from?
I'm from Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan? No way.
Yeah. Where are you from?
Indonesia.
Apa kabar?
Wait, hold on.
No,
How
I
did
just
you
need
know?
some word.
Why you look like someone, you know?
Someone? Nama saya Nurgul. What's your name?
Меня зовут Randy.
Randy.
Da.
How old are you?
I'm 25.
25.
Yes, how old are you?
I'm 22.
22.
Yeah.
Great.
But you look younger than me.
Nah.
Ya kayak masih
You
kecil.
singing?
I can sing a little bit.
Little bit, or you are doing professional
Nah, just practicing, you know.
practice in Amigo?
Do you wanna hear something?
Okay.
What kind of music do you like?
I like all type of
Oh.
music.
Alright, I see. Happy for you. Know that I am, even if I can understand. I'll take the pain. Give me the truth. Me and my heart will make it through. If happy end, I'm happy for you.
Wow. I like
That's
it.
it. Thank you.
Good job.
Thank you. You're welcome. Do you listen to Russian music or? Yes.
You know Russian music?
I know a little bit. Can I try it?
Yeah.
Alright. Я ищу тебя давно, пропадаю всюду, но каждый день сунговиня я играю в казино. Я люблю тебя давно, прикасаюсь всюду, но каждый день одни мучения, каждый день одно кино. Ты не идеальна, ты не мой идеал. Почему слабляться не тех, кто и крепит? Эти вопросы не дают покоя. Сигарет какой плохой,
Ceweknya kayak
сигарет
mirip-mirip
какой
siapa gitu ya.
Меня любила она, я не забыл. Все время я просто расстаюсь, я туда, где я любил. Меня любила Настя, я не простил. Я чуть-чуть не стараюсь, просто где я любил.
Wow. Oh my god. It's very cool.
Thank you. You know that
Good
song?
job. Yeah, I
Yeah.
like this song.
Good,
Yeah,
good.
I like this artist.
You also like Rauf and Pike?
Yeah.
Oh, I like them so much. I'm a huge fan.
Hi.
Oh,
Where are you from?
Indonesia.
Oh.
Where you from?
Russia. It's a Russian hymn.
Kebanyakan dari
Are
Rusia ya.
you twin?
No.
Sister?
Tapi
No.
Friend?
tapi kok mirip ya?
Girlfriend. No, we're just friends.
Girlfriend?
No. We
No.
looks like sisters.
Yeah. To like sister. What's your name?
Vika and Ksyusha. Ksyusha.
Vika and Ksyusha.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You singing?
I do singing a little bit. Oh, okay. You play
It's
the
my
guitar.
brothers.
Wait, is it bass?
We have a third and fourth, but it's.
You guys can play it?
No, I can honestly, but not really good. Yeah, I play violin.
You play violin.
Yeah,
That's
Uh,
awesome. Okay, try to play.
but it just.
Doesn't matter.
Wait, I wanna just. Yeah, my brother will kill. But
Okay. How old are you guys?
18. We said.
Yeah. You guys are. Nah, yeah. You didn't tell me your age.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry.
Okay.
Can you sing something?
Sure. Okay. Еще 5 минут поговорю я с тобой. Я не знаю, что мне делать, не знаю, что мне делать. Еще 5 минут, и я расстанусь с тобой. Я не знаю, что мне делать, не знаю, что мне делать. Ты же понимала, так не хочу потеряться. Ты же сказала, с нас любовь спичь не перестанет. Помнишь мой запах, я твоего никогда не забуду.
It's really cool. Amazing. It's a Russian song.
Do you know that song? I do know Russian song.
Привет. I know the song, of course. It's,
You know it?
everyone knows. Yeah.
Everyone?
It's, yeah, it's a popular.
Ah, okay.
Your
So-
pronounce is really good. Yeah, it's
Really? Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for your time
yeah. You
and have a good night.
You too.
Hi.
Hi.
You sing?
I do.
Oh,
I do. Sing. Where you from?
Sweden.
Sweden? You're Muslim?
Yeah.
I'm a Muslim too.
Alhamdulillah.
Mashallah.
where
Can
you
you
from?
sing?
You want me to sing?
Yeah.
Okay. What song?
Something from TikTok, so I know.
Ah.
Sing or like.
All right. I see the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through to make those rainbows in my mind. When I pick up you sometime, I
enak
wanna
banget,
spend
guys.
some time with you. Just up to us, we can make it if we try. Just up to us, just up to us.
That was really good.
That one was
Bagus
really
banget
good.
lah itu.
Thank you so much. I got a question.
Yeah.
What language do you speak?
I speak Persian.
Persian?
Yeah.
You from
know-
Iran?
Yeah. I'm from Afghanistan, but we speak the same language.
But you live in Sweden?
Yeah.
For how long?
6 years.
Oh, it's pretty long. So you can speak Swedish right now?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Where do you live?
Indonesia.
Indonesia. I guess
Yeah.
so. Yeah,
You
that's
do you wanna hear more?
Sure.
Alright. I'm so lonely, broken angel. I'm so lonely. Listen to my man. 도시더람 bitches 매만 기나대. 오나 내미 투남 배도네도 홀란 바데. I'm so lonely, broken angel. I'm so lonely, listen to my one and only broken angel. Come and save me before I fall apart. 또 아작해 봐시 캐노리탐 또 엇가레스 디보네탐 또 내미 두니 계조나미 바르가 피샴.
That one was really good.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're so like
Talented.
Thank you.
That pronunciation. Oof.
I was trying my best. I'm gonna go now, but I will sing one more song, okay?
Iya, lihatin.
Closer till Tuesday. Halvfull du varit här. Önskar jag båda två. Jag ska göra sina brusor. Jag ska tända för intervjus. Jag ska spela din musik som du alltid brukar sjunga. Jag ska göra en singelbrusor till dig.
Wih.
Wow.
That's
So you like speak like all of the languages or what?
something like that.
Do you search when you speak with us? You
I'm
know,
I'm
get
sorry?
the information and then you put the song and then you sing it.
Yeah.
It's still so good.
Like for the first
The
time.
pronunciation was so good.
Oh, thank you so
First
much.
I didn't know it.
But like, have you ever heard that song before?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Good. Thank you so much for listening me. I gotta go now. I wish you have a
Bye.
beautiful day.
You too. Thank you.
Wih.
Hi.
What's up?
Nothing much.
Kayak masih kecil ya.
Where you from?
I'm from Sweden.
Sweden. What's your name?
My name is Lily.
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 Lily was a little.
Oke. Ya.
But anyways, do you listen to music? What kind of music do you listen to?
Like everything, I guess.
Everything. Okay. Can I sing a song for you?
Sure.
Sure. Alright. I don't know if you know it, but I will try. Du är till någonsin önskat. Du är till någonsin drömt. Du är det som får mig minnas alla drömmar jag har glömt.
Wait, do you know how to
Du är
speak
den
Swedish?
som får mig hoppas. Du är den som får mig le. All min kärlek får du bara. Hela livet vill jag ge. För du är där när ingen styr mig. Du är där när stormen är. Du är där när natten skrämmer. Och du är där när jag kan bli. La 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 di, di, la.
Banget.
Wait, do you know how to sing? That was a Swedish song.
That was a Swedish song.
That was. I got so surprised.
Yeah.
I know that song. It's a typical Swedish song.
Oh, you know it? Oh, thanks God.
I heard my mom listen to it once.
Ah, okay, okay.
I got so surprised.
Yeah. Cause you live in Sweden, so.
I didn't. I was so surprised.
Yeah, but that's for you, you know.
Ya guys.
Hai, jadi hari ini gue lagi di Jakarta. Kemarin tuh sempat
Oke.
diundang sama salah satu acara TV gitu. Dan hari ini gue lagi di Jakarta. Rencananya gue mau ketemu sama youtuber sini juga. Kapan lagi kan?
고민이 생겼니 초등학교 영어 수업 시간에 배웠었던 현재 진행형 대타
Oke guys, gitu aja dulu videonya. Terima kasih buat kalian yang udah nonton dan jangan lupa subscribe channel ini dan juga subscribe channelnya Bang Randy Dongseu. Oke guys, buat kalian yang suka sama video ini, kalian like dan buat kalian yang mau kasih saran ke aku untuk reaction apa, kalian tulis di kolom komentar. Jangan lupa juga share ke teman-teman kalian dan juga ke sosial media yang kalian punya. Jangan lupa juga follow akun Instagram sama TikTok aku guys. Oke, see you di next video guys. Bye bye.